Chicago breaded steak sandwich, one of my favorite local foods around here, and it's hard to get. I have to drive a long way to get it, so I decided to do it myself at home. If you'd like to see how I make this, stick around and I'll show you. All right, let's give it a try, huh? This is really good. Tell you, that was so good, man. that was better than I actually hoped it would have been. Man, I'm so glad I made an extra sandwich here. I got one here for the wife and two for me. So, wow, it was really good, man. If you guys want to make this at home, I got the recipe in the video description down below. And I want to thank El Yucateco Hot Sauce for making this video possible. And man, this is part of their summer grilling promotion that they sent me all these sauces to try out and demo. And man, I tell you, I made this recipe before in a past video on my channel several years ago. This version blows that version away. I think just that little extra bit of that habanero, roasted habanero and tomato sauce flavor added in with the red sauce I already made. Man, I'm lucky I had a chance an opportunity to do this for him. So, and for myself, because this is badass. It honestly is. All right. Okay, well, I'm gonna get back to this sandwich. Thanks for watching. If you're a new viewer and not yet subscriber, consider subscribing. I do cooking videos, outdoor cooking and indoor cooking, as well as some home brewing and winemaking videos. It's kind of my thing, my hobby, right? So if that kind of stuff appeals to you, hit that subscribe button. And for the rest of you, I will talk to you all later.